don't cover the entrance, because then they can't really get in. This was like.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's also empty.
Oh, they drank it all. I had it just in this front a little. I mean, in the hole a little bit.
They drank every little drop. Little butt. He's having a little snap. Ah! Who touched me? Who touched me?
That's funny.
Who did that?
Who touched me?
Who touched me? Don't do that. Stop building it. I'm taking a nut. You must take a nut. Thank you very much. Hey, what you doing? He's mad at the tool.
He goes back.
Yeah, he's mad at my tool because he's like, what are you doing?
Is that her right there? On the... No?
No, they were kissing.
Oh. Get some honey.
They're kissing. Yeah, kill that hive beetle. But why'd you want to walk away? They're a little warm, so they all get up from to the sides of the hive. Is it a little toasty today? See a lot of drones here. Little worthless guys. What do you do with your life?